Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, yesterday the Dow Jones closed at 79 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 126 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 31 points positive. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is trading very flat. Now, let's talk about FII and DII data. But before that, yesterday the US GDP number came and it was better than expected. So, the US market was very flat, but the numbers was impressive, above expectations. Now, let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday, FII sold close to 1700 crores and domestic institutions, they bought close to 3800 crores. So, still FII have started its selling and DII continue to buy double what FII are selling. Now SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 25 points flat. So this year, more than any asset, gold and silver has outperformed every other asset. This is very impressive. In 2025, gold and silver is the number one asset which has given the highest return to its investor. It's not crypto, it's not Indian equities, it's gold and silver. So this year, what goes to gold and silver? Now similarly, crude oil is again at up higher levels because of global uncertainties. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Yesterday Nifty was very volatile, right? It closed at 26,206. Support is 26,000 and resistance is 26,300. Remember yesterday I told you that I'll be booking some positions. I exited 50% of my quantities on yesterday's session. Now, what's next for Nifty? Now, the way gold is going up, the way silver is going up, I am not at all confident in market at this current levels for short to medium term. I'm maintaining a cautious view because the way the global uncertainty is, the way the gold is moving up, the way the silver is moving up, and the way the FII are moving up, I am maintaining a cautious view. Any breakdown I see on higher time frame, I'll be exiting all my positions. So by maintaining a cautious view, today's pre-market video, I want to tell all of you that I am maintaining a cautious view and limiting my quantities. But stock specific, we have a super duper moves. I remember I recommended you Hindalco at 815, 814 levels, and I gave you target of 870. We have already achieved that target. I really like L&T Finance. L&T Finance is somewhere at 300, 302. Look at initial target of 330. So IRCTC, I know there is some news that government will hike the fare rates, because of which the IRCTC is moving, and I still believe IRCTC will do good. Look at RVNL. Remember I gave you RVNL at 300. Look at the price where the RVNL is now. So these stock specific moves will be there, but on index level, I'm maintaining a cautious view. Now, Bank Nifty closing around 59,407, support is 59,000 and resistance is 60,000. So, the rupee is now again at $90. Gold is moving up. Gold is again at $4,500 and silver is $72. So, these all indicating me that you have to be cautious in this market and keep your limited quantity, any quantity limited. So, if you are an index trader, limit your quantities. Be cautious, trade with stop loss. I'll be personally avoiding any long positions here in Nifty. We may see some intraday bounce close to 100, 200 points. I'm not saying I'm God, right? Only two people in this world can be 100% right. One is God and second is liar. I'm not a God, neither a liar, right? So we can even see like 100, 200 point moves, but that move still I will not be in a FOMO and I will trade that move. I'll maintain a cautious view. I will not short this market. I will not do anything. We may even consolidate. Look, this is the NDS season, right? 25th December, then 1st January. So most FII fund managers go on holidays. So expecting low volatility in the market, low volume in the market. So as an option trader, selling options is fine, but buying options is little bit challenging for me. So I avoid any buying options, look for in futures or look in selling options, but buying options will be very I'll be step back from buying options. So yes, this is my view, and I'm signing off with this view. So be cautious in this market and no, don't take heavy leverage or don't take over positioning. So thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.